In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pandadoc document. We'll walk through the process from starting a brand new document to adding your recipients, placing the right fields, and finally sending it out for signature. Follow along in your own Pandadoc account if you can, so you see everything in context as we go. First, let's create the document. In your Pandadoc dashboard, look for the option that says New Document. Click that and then choose Select File. This is where you upload the file you want to turn into a signable document, for example, a contract, proposal, or agreement saved as a PDF or Word file. Once you select your file, Pandadoc will open it in the editor. Next, you need to add your recipients. These are the people who will receive and sign the document. In the recipients area, add each person by entering their name and email address. Take a moment here to double-check spelling, since any typo could prevent them from getting the document. If you have multiple signers, make sure they're all listed. Now it's time to insert your main text. On the right-hand side of the editor, you'll see a panel with different content blocks. Find the text block and drag it onto your document. Drop it wherever you want to add or edit terms, clauses, or additional information. You can click inside this text block to type, paste, and format the content so it matches the style of your document. After your text looks good, you'll place your fields for signing. From that same right-hand panel, locate the signature field and drag it onto the document. Position it exactly where you want the signer to sign. Do the same with the date field, dragging and dropping it next to or beneath the signature line so the signer can confirm when they signed. With the fields placed, you now need to assign them to the correct recipient. Click on each field you added. A small floating menu or drop-down will appear, allowing you to select which recipient is responsible for that field. Make sure each signature and date field is assigned to the appropriate person, especially if there are multiple signers. Once everything is in place and assigned, you're ready to send. Click Review and Send to quickly scan through the document and confirm everything looks correct. Then click Continue, and finally choose Send Document. Pandadoc will email your recipients a secure link so they can open, review, and sign your document online.